In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create task links in Asana. Task links let you point teammates straight to the exact task you're talking about, which cuts down on back and forth and makes collaboration faster. We'll keep this simple and focused. First, open the task. Whether you're in a project list, a board, or your My Tasks view, click the task's name to open the details pane. You'll see the task title, description, assignee due date, subtasks, and the activity thread. That panel is where all the important actions live, and it's the place you need to be to grab a reliable link. If the panel was already open, just make sure the correct task is selected so you don't copy a link to the wrong one. Next, find the three dots in the top right corner of the task details pane. This is the More Actions menu. It's easy to spot, but it can blend in if you're working quickly. Hover your cursor near the upper edge of the pane on the right side of the task title and assignee area, and click the icon with three vertical dots to open the menu. From that menu, choose Copy Task Link. The moment you click it, Asana copies a direct URL to your clipboard. There isn't a big visual change in the task itself, but you should see a small confirmation. Now the link is ready to paste into chat, email, a document, or even another Asana task. When someone opens that link, they'll land right on the same task details you're seeing. Asana keeps permissions intact, so only people who already have access to the project or task will be able to view it. That means you can share confidently without worrying about exposing information to the wrong audience. A few quick tips to make these links even more useful. Before sharing, consider adding a short note that explains why you're sending the link, like what decision is needed or where to look in the description. If you rename the task or move it between projects later, the link still works because it's tied to the task's unique ID. And if the person you're sharing with can't open it, that's usually a permissions issue, not a bad link, so check access on the project or invite them appropriately. That's all there is to it. Open the task, click the three dots, and select Copy Task Link. Simple, fast, and a big time saver for your team.